Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I just got this VICTGOAL bike helmet and I absolutely love it. My favorite feature is the safety light that it has in the back of the helmet. It is super bright and strong, making it very easy for me to become visible to cars when I'm riding at any time of day, especially at night. Another cool feature are the goggles. First of all, they are UV protected, which saves me from wearing sunglasses when I'm riding. These goggles protect my entire range of vision, not just my eyes. So it's very comfortable to ride my bike even with the sun directly in my face. On top of that, the goggles are magnetic. They attach very strongly to the helmet, but they are very easy to attach and deattach. I also appreciate that the helmet is very comfortable to wear. Even though I have a big head, my head doesn't feel sore after long periods of using it. And it's very easy to adjust to any size. Even my wife can wear the helmet by just adjusting it to her head. This is a very nice looking helmet, feels very sturdy, makes me feel very secure when I'm riding my bike. And that is my point of view.